viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious yogurt granola snack that you can enjoy either for breakfast or for lunch. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Vanessa. To start out, this recipe, it is super simple and you can alter and change it depending on the things that you like or you don't. For example, some people don't like bananas. Don't put bananas. Some people hate Greek yogurt. Don't use Greek yogurt. So let's get started. Well, this looks absolutely delicious. So good. So good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys, till next time.